All right, let's dive into a new class of enterprise tech that's, well, a total game changer.
You know that feeling of being stuck on hold? Well, what's the actual business cost of that friction?
It's huge. Research shows old-school IVR systems can have a 43% call abandonment rate. Ouch.
So this isn't just an upgrade. We're talking about a whole new paradigm, the autonomous executive.
And this is Jordan. Forget chatbots. This is an autonomous executive running your entire front desk.
So what makes Jordan different? It really comes down to one thing: pure speed. Legacy systems just can't keep up.
Jordan responds in under 200 milliseconds. That speed is the secret to making conversations feel truly real.
And how is that even possible? It's powered by the Gemini 3.0 Pro engine, built for high-precision interactions.
Okay, but how does that speed translate to performance? Well, the numbers really speak for themselves.
First call resolution is through the roof. This frees up your human team for the really tough problems. And check out this capacity. Jordan handles massive call surges without even breaking a sweat.
But here's the thing. Jordan isn't working alone. It's actually part of a much larger, orchestrated system.
It's a key player in the Momentum Virtual Task Force, a whole team of specialized autonomous agents.
And the entire team is directed by Momentum, which ensures everything is perfectly aligned with your brand.
This whole setup turns your front desk from a cost center into a powerful, synchronized strategic asset. So the final question really isn't about upgrading. It's whether you can afford not to.